Hi, Alex.
Hi, Dad. Mommy.
Hey, what color are your eyes?
Hazel eyes.
Are they blue?
No, hazel.
Are they brown?
No.
Are they black?
No.
Are they green?
No.
What color are they?
Hazel eyes.
Hey,
Hazel blue.
let me see. They're not hazel blue. They're hazel brown, if anything. What color are your eyes?
Hazel green.
Hazel green. Let me see. No, those are hazel eyes.
Hazel eyes?
Yeah. How about Mommy? Does she have hazel eyes?
No.
What color eyes does
Brown
Mommy?
eyes.
Yeah, brown eyes. How about Dad? What color does eyes he have?
Blue. Bigger my eye. Bigger my eye.
Oh, a picture of your eyes?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh.